We have Carnival Cruise Line news, Celebrity Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean, and MSC, and we'll get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. We are back with some more cruise news. Look, I apologize, there has been no video here the last 2 days. Unfortunately, I got myself a little eye infection. I don't know if anybody has noticed in the video. It's been really red. Had to go to the doctor, had to go to the eye doctor, had to get a bunch of lab work done. The lab vampires needed 13 vials of blood. So they're trying to fix this and figure out if there's any root cause behind it. So I've had to deal with the doctors and stuff the last 2 days. Had a little hard time seeing, but we're back and we have cruise news for everybody to get everybody caught back up. If you take the home COVID-19 test and you have an upcoming holiday cruise, Thanksgiving and Christmas, Carnival Cruise Lines has put out that the testing center will be fully staffed, ready to go, and able to handle any of the cruising demand over the holidays. So if you've got to take a test the day before Christmas, the day before Thanksgiving, or even on one of the holidays, the testing centers will be open. You can still do your COVID-19 test, home test, still get it proxied online. They're going to be there available to help you guys out. So no worries on that 2-day requirement. In any conflicts with the holidays, they're ready for you. Carnival Cruise Lines has also announced that the Carnival Vista, which is currently home ported in Galveston, Texas, well, in 2023, she's going to be leaving Galveston, Texas and going to Port Canaveral in Florida. Now, this is going to happen towards the end of 2023, and that's simply going to be because once the Carnival Jubilee comes into Galveston, they're not going to have both of the big ships here, and the Vista is going to head back to Florida. So if you're in Florida or like to sail out of Florida and want to sail on the Carnival Vista, said she's going to be heading back over there in 2023. After being away for 10 years, Royal Caribbean has returned to the city of Los Angeles. The Navigator of the Seas has begun sailing out of the port of Los Angeles in California. And of course, she's going to be doing 3, 4, 5, and 7-day California and Mexico cruises, giving those folks that like to sail out of Los Angeles another cruise choice, another cruise ship option. And like I said, Royal Caribbean hasn't sailed out of there in 10 years. So they're back and ready for those that are Royal Caribbean fans to get back on Navigator of the Seas. The state of Hawaii has announced that there will be no cruises to Hawaii for the remainder of 2021. Just not going to happen. They are not yet ready for cruising there to restart. We have already seen some cancellations, and unfortunately there may be a few more. Hawaii is saying that the absolute earliest that cruising may restart down there is going to be in January of 2022. But that is completely unofficial at this time. Nothing has been confirmed. And that's just a speculation that is the absolute earliest that it may start. So if you have any cruises going to Hawaii in the beginning of 2022, look, at this point, just keep an eye on them. Pay attention to your emails, because until they officially announce the restart of cruising to Hawaii, you just never know what may happen, so keep an eye on those. And finally, MSC Cruises has officially welcomed their newest cruise ship, the MSC Seashore. They have completed the official naming ceremony at their private island of Ocean Key, welcoming their newest cruise ship to the MSC family. And that will catch us up on the cruise news. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourselves a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.